you show your friends when you're having fun? What if it never ends? I'm like it's Saturday, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, miss cigarettes.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't made a video at all this year, but I have been very busy with just life in general. I'm trying to get ready. Ever since the Christmas break, I've just been off schedule and just trying to get ready for this new year. I have so many plans and things going on that I can barely think straight. I'm here at home right now. I am trying to catch up on my nurse notes, so I'm currently working on that on the computer right now. My little one is here and they're just kind of watching TV, and then the other one's down here watching TV so that I can do my nurse notes. I start school tomorrow, so I am trying to figure out the syllabus. They always tell you all these books you need to buy and computer computer software that I need, and so I don't really truly know what I need. I'm gonna have to go up to the school today to purchase my books, so that is something that we're gonna have to do here in the next couple of hours. I'm gonna come home and clean this house. It is a wreck. Here is the kitchen. There is pizza boxes left over. It's just a wreck, the house in general. So I will catch up on my nurse notes and then get back with you guys and bring you guys along with me for my day today. So really quick, I wanted to show you guys our Orbeez. This is about a little over 10,000 Orbeez, and the kids grew them overnight. I had just been playing with them. So in case you were wondering what 10,000 Orbeez looks like, this is what it looks like.
And a really weird one. Ooh.
Okay, so I finished my nurse's notes, so thank God I got that over with. But really quick, I wanted to show you guys, I've been, ever since this year, January started, I've been like really into like the minimalism, getting rid of a lot of stuff. And I have a really bad habit. My family tells me that I'm always getting rid of stuff, sometimes prematurely, but it just, too much clutter drives me crazy. So oh, let me show you guys really quick. I did get rid of my coffee table in the living room. I did get rid of the coffee table in my living room because, again, it was driving me crazy. I loved it. It was really pretty, but it was so big, so I did get rid of that. And don't mind this mess right here. We slept in here overnight just because we wanted to sleep by the fire. But if you remember, I had a big, no ma'am. If you remember, I had a big coffee table right here, and yeah, we took it out. So I just have like the 2 chairs down here and then the 1 couch and a lot of free space. So yeah, and then let me show you guys my daughter's room, kind of what I did. I organized her closet, and so let me show you guys what that looks like. And her room is pretty simple and bare. It's just got a desk with the chair. It's got a makeshift bed. She doesn't sleep there because I plan to buy her a bed, but there is a makeshift bed there if she needed to. I have a hamper. I think I got that from Ross. And then her closet. I reorganized everything. I love using the bins. We did have a dresser, but the dresser fell apart on us, and so we kind of had to go this route. And so basically she has all her clothing categorized down here in these different bins. So like she has clothes for gymnastics, her jeans, skirts, tank tops, her underwear, socks, and her pajamas. And I basically don't fold, the pajamas aren't folded for sure. The jeans are folded and the skirts are folded. Everything else is pretty much just thrown in there, and I'm okay with that because it doesn't have to be folded. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody's going to see it anyways. And then she just kind of has her robe here, little jewelry box, some jewelry here, her Hatchimals, Her kitty food here, I probably will get a bin to put those in because I don't know, I think it'll be more aesthetically pleasing if I do put it in a bin or something here. She's got her sweaters here, her all of her shirts and tops and other sweaters hung up here. She's got a little bin full of shoes here, and then usually her boots will go here because they don't fit in the bin. And then she's got just some random, this is my stuff because we sometimes work on her desk. So I'll come in here and grab my stuff. But this is just her games up here. And then just some more of her toys that she doesn't want her sister touching, like all of her LOLs and Shopkins and stuff that she wants to keep separate. Some leftover Christmas presents that she hasn't opened this one yet. And then just some other stuff in here. So that's pretty much her closet. And this is my other daughter's room. It looks crazy right now too because again we're going to downgrade her bunk bed into like a regular bed because just again fear of her falling off. This is my 4-year-old's room, so she has pretty much the same thing, but she has more toys in here. The majority of her toys are kept in another area on the other side of the kitchen, and I keep all of her toys there except for what you see here. That's kind of thrown all over the place, but yeah, so again she has the hamper, she has a desk and just like this little hanging rack for her stuff, and then her closet is going to mimic her sister's closet as well, with the bins with the same categorized items other than hair bows and swimwear. And so and then she's got all her books here, little accessories here. She's got this is like a learning bin, so I keep like a bunch of her learning stuff in here that I'll pull out and go over, like her reading and all that with her, learning her letters. And then she's got the bin with the shoes again, her boots, and then up here, oh, that's one of her games. And then up here are our holiday books. So these are our fall holiday books, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, and these are our winter Christmas books. So I just kind of put those up there. And then she has her tops hanging as well. This is her sleeping backpack, overnight bag that she uses when we go to out of town and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much her closet. Yes, I feel like their closets have been working. I've been using this method with my 4-year-old for maybe like 9 months now, and it's been working pretty good. So I went ahead and repeated the same you know, the same design for my other daughter's room. So it's working, so why not? And I like the way it looks. It's looks very organized and stuff, so they can find whatever they need. If I say you need to go get a tank top under this sweater, they know where to look. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the girls ready, and then we're going to go head out to my school because I need to go purchase my books for class. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Up in the wrong hands, and you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss Booze, cigarettes trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on myself. She's as cold as December.
Okay, so I just got back from my school, purchased my one book so far because I'm not really sure what all books that I'm gonna need. So I purchased what I think I need, but I didn't open it or anything because I think it was $100 for that one book. It's actually not a book, it's like a passcode. and I don't want to scratch it off if I have the wrong one. So they told me I have a week to return it, so I'm gonna just hold on to it until class tomorrow and then see what all I do need. But I just got home and checking on the girls, and they're still playing with their Orbeez.
Look. Oh yeah. I hear this one.
Oh yeah. Okay, so she has this really, like, this is a normal size Orbeez, and then she has this really big one. And I know that they make those even bigger ones too. But yeah. And it's so funny, but this is like oddly satisfying to stick your hands in here and just roll them off your hands, and even to like squish them too. I don't know how people can play with these and not squish them, especially the really big Orbeez, but this is, it's weird. It's really satisfying just to run your hands through it.
Oh, I thought the cat. I thought the cat was the outdoor one.
Even the cat likes it. I don't know what we're gonna do with these when we're done with them though.
Odd one.
Once we're done playing with the Orbeez, I don't know what we're gonna do with them. I'm guessing just dump them in the backyard, I'm not sure. But I don't know. What do you do with 10,000 Orbeez when you're finished playing with them? Let me know in the comments below what you guys did with your 10,000 Orbeez. But in the meantime, I am going to start cleaning up because this house is a wreck. So let me go ahead and do that right quick.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow. When it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. This booze-lit cigarette's trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off, put the feeling on ice.
Okay, so it is much later in the day. It's actually like around 8:30 in the night, and the girls are already have their little pallet ready back here. My hubby is out of town, so I don't know, I don't want to sleep in the bedroom by myself, and so I just feel like it's more cozier up here in the living room. So I have the girls laid out here on a pallet. They're watching a little bit of TV before bed, and this is what I'm dealing with right now. So I have two backpacks here. I have my notebook, my to-do list for the morning, my binder, my planner, and yeah, I'm trying to figure out, because I have school early first thing in the morning, so I've got to figure out, first I want to transfer my information, like this is my schedule of like when assignments are due. I want to transfer that to my planner, so that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. But in the meantime, I just realized I don't have a backpack to take to school, so this is my nurse bag that I have all my nurse stuff in, and this is just a bag that I was given as a gift from my brother-in-law's job, and it's a very like sturdy backpack, and so I wanted to use that for my nurse bag because my nurse bag gets beat up pretty bad. So I'm gonna take everything out from my nurse bag, switch it into the new bag, and then this will be my school backpack for the meantime. So I went ahead and switched out the backpack, so my original nurse's bag is now empty and ready for my school stuff, and my new nurse's bag is good to go. So it's nice and filled up and super heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and now plug in the dates for my upcoming homework assignments when they're due, and I'm just gonna kind of plug them into my calendar, so I'll kind of show you guys really quick a little bit of that. So that is pretty much the end of my night tonight. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.